Check, check, check. Mic check, mic check. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wednesday, the 24th of February. I'm just trying to get myself sorted out here. I was a little bit late setting up, so I do apologise. There we go. How is everybody? Welcome to Mark My Words, the channel that brings you live market action. We've just kicked off, look, we're 2 minutes in. Good day yesterday, AMC, GME. Good day for AMC, that's for sure. Red today, excuse me, got a bit of a cough. It's open red, not uncommon, to be honest. There we are. Let's get on the charts. The chartaroon is, and we can see what's going on. So yesterday, good day, look, finished up. Let's see if we can maintain this volatility that we've got going on. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. Let's hope we can. I saw a video earlier, a guy called Trey's Trades. If you've not seen him on YouTube, go and look him up. Tell him Mark sent you. He did a good video about some information that's out there, some call options that are expiring on Friday, and they're already in the money. So if the price stays, I think he said if it stays above 650, those contracts expire in the money, which is going to put pressure on the market, which is what we're hoping for. He said thinks it'll cause a bit of a gamma squeeze. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Let me close my door. Oh gosh! Don't worry, I've not got COVID. I've got a cough, and I'm not really sure. I don't normally get ill. Do you know what? I think it's wearing a mask. I'm not spreading disinformation, and I've got no real opinion on all this COVID stuff. But it seems strange to me. I've not had a cough for about 10 years, and then I start wearing a mask, and I get a cough. Right, I've lost my goggles. Hang on. Found them, look. I've got them. Panic over. Don't panic, Mr. Mannering. Don't panic. Move that there, look. There we go. We're in. We're in the seat. First hour of trading. Let me put a little message up. If you're dropping by, feel free to say hi. There we go. Oh, spelt that wrong. Can you change it once it's in there? Is there a... Do you know what? I'll just stick it up there. Yeah, so here we are. 5 minutes in. Sorry, I was out. I got held up a little bit longer than I was expecting to. But it's an important job. It's an important job I've been doing. See my videos. Big news on the van front. The travelling side of this. The travelling side of this little channel. We're in full effect because the van has arrived. The van has arrived, which is amazing. 3 weeks early. So I've been out getting insurance. So tomorrow I've got to take the documents over to the dealer, and yeah, hopefully. You know, he's going to register it for me, and hopefully next week we'll be doing a video about the new van. Really excited about that. I couldn't believe it. Nearly fell off my chair last night when I got the email. So happy days. Anyway, what's going on here then? So BCRX down, CLVS up 7 cents. Fantastic, absolutely terrible day yesterday for CLVS. Market aside, you know, it was just, it just wasn't great at all, really. They had the conference call for earnings, and they didn't quite get, they missed on EPS, and they hit on revenue. Not great, I'm afraid. They were talking about their sales plan, and it wasn't pretty. It looks like they haven't got one. GME, look, off to a flyer. Oosh. Look at that, already 1.4% up. Finished up yesterday as well, I think. So that's going in the right direction. I bought some yesterday. If you watched yesterday, I bought some as a day trade, and to show how inexperienced I am at this, I forgot to close out. So it was a bit of a failed exercise, a failed demonstration. But you know, it's open green today, so maybe I'm in the money. Let's have a look. Move that off there. Am I up? No. 45.49 is my average. Well, I should be up then. Oh no, it's just dropped to 45.46. Look, so we're just a little bit down, $5 down, which isn't too bad, I guess. I bought back into Ethereum today. I bought one coin of Ethereum. That I got hit. My stop loss got triggered yesterday during the downturn. So that was triggered. I had 2.4 Ethereum coins. I took profit, don't get me wrong, about €1,200 in profit. But then you've got to start again. So I was looking for an entry, went to bed, fell asleep. Woke up today, you know, it was just under $1,600, $1,681 was my entry. So I'm slightly down, but you know, that's a bit of a longer term play. We'll see if we can get it, you know, back up to where it was, over the $2,000 mark. We'll start building again. I'll start doing some DCA, dollar cost averaging. We'll start doing some of that on the cryptos again. I did buy some ADA because I'd seen some chatter. This is what I've been saying. I monitor chatter and stuff like that. So I bought some ADA yesterday. I got in at 99 cents. Where are we? A bit further down. So I picked up a handful of those. So we'll see how that goes. I've just been reading about what it is. Again, I'm not really a techie guy, so I struggle a little bit with it. But you know, it is what it is. So I picked some up. That's about $5 down at the moment, based on my average. I don't know why. Because it says my average was 0.9994. Okay. And it's trading now at 1.018. So I would at 1.02 now. So I would have thought I was in the money, but still learning as we go along. Anyway, I hope we get the old Chatteroony back up in case anybody drops by. New subscriber yesterday, my man Squirrel from Montana. New follower, which is always nice. 100 subscribers we're going for. Just to, you know, get that custom URL from YouTube. That'd be quite nice. Stepping stones. Small steps. And let's see where we get to. Anyway, back to AMC. Down 7%. Look. Oof, taking a hammering. But, you know, it's still above $7. So, you know, I was talking about that guy Trey's Trades. He was saying if it stays above 650, or you know, something like that, those option contracts get cashed in, which puts pressure on the market because then they've got to issue the shares. So he estimated around 12 million shares are in play there. So we'll see. I wonder how many shares. Let's have a look at Fintel and see. Last time I checked this, there was 1.2 million shares available for shorting. What is there today? 850,000, you see. So there's not that many available. We'll see if that changes throughout the day. We'll see what that looks like. Starting to claw its way back a little bit now. It's positive. Really positive. GME, I should be up now. Yeah, baby, $4 profit on GME. You know, I don't have to hold them. I'm not sure. People keep saying, you know, the squeeze hasn't squoze and all that. I don't know. Has it? I don't know. It went up to, I mean, $450 that it went to, there or thereabouts. You know, who knows if it's squoze? I don't know. You just never know. Death cross there, look. Where the 50 EMA has moved under the 200 EMA. That's just on the 1 minute chart. What's happening on? Let's go a couple up and see. Oh, you see on the 5 minute chart we're still all right. We're still just about in bullish territory. So some good buys there. Let's see what they're saying on Stock Twits. I love this forum. It makes me laugh. Look at all these new posts, look. There'll be bears on here saying, should have sold, sell me your shares. And there'll be bulls on there going, we only just got started. We only just got going, look. Come on, it's a bit slow, there's too much traffic going on, look. There you go. Let's go, let's go. I love it. I love it. Stick that on real time. Can't keep up, look. I don't want to put a message on, thanks. Come on, man, get off there. Climbing. Keep going, baby. It's only 4% down now. Keeps going like that all day, we'll be happy. What else is happening? BCRX. Yeah, she's coming back. Good girl. Beautiful. Good. Still on there. Get off. There we go. Get on real time. She's coming back. CLVS, man. I really... God, I don't know what to do. Because I've got some that are in profit there. And I know from being a long-term CLVS holder how long it takes to even get back to $7. It's a journey. It's a journey and a half. So I don't know what to do with that. We'll see what happens. AMC, look at this, clawing away back. It is clawing back. Look at the 1 minute. Beautiful, look. Keeps doing that. You've got to be happy. Because what's different now, what I'm not seeing now is what we saw before, where you saw the short attacks constant, you know, throughout the day, ba-ba bang, ba-ba bang, ba-ba bang, down, 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 down. And it seems now that whenever there is a bit of a shorting, this looks like it here, that I don't think that's people selling for profit. When there is a bit of a short, you know, it's bought up. Look, it's getting bought up quickly. So, you know, we'll see 2.5% now. Clawing its way back. GME, 2.7% up. Again, that volume that we've not seen for a while, it's coming back. American Airlines, that's done well over the last few days. That's going in the right direction. But you see now they've got these vaccines and everything. I think that's going to be it's going to be what it's about. You know, people are going to be getting on the planes again, and before you know it, you know those airlines that have taken a hit. They're going to be coming back again, nice and strongly. So, you know, see, I'm tempted to go in for a little day trade there. Let's do it. Let's buy some American Airlines and see what happens. Where are we? I've got it on my watch list. and we'll do it just for today. American Airlines, there we go. Let's do a trade. Let's take 20. See if I've got enough money. Yeah, got enough money. We'll take 20 of those. Let's see if we can see an opportunity to... there you go, let's get in there. So we got that on the go now. 21.37 was the average. Okay. So we're in the green already on 20 units of American Airlines. So we'll swing this today and see what we can do. It's only pennies. You know what I mean? That's some breaking news. What's going on? Seeking Alpha. Cathy Wood's ARK Innovation ETF had a record $456 million outflow yesterday. Oof. That doesn't sound good. I'm no expert, but, you know. Yeah, American Airlines flying up there, look. Let's see if it can hold some momentum today. GME, that's going well. BCRX, clawed away back there, look. We're in the green. You absolute beauty. Huh? What a beauty. Well done, girl. Clovis picking up. Surprising. I'm such a pessimist with Clovis, really. What else we got? How are we doing on AMC again? About 3%, something like that. So everything's coming green, look. Everything's coming green. Plug. I'm tempted to get in that because that was at $65 not too long ago. So that's one I've got my eye on. NIO, I was in that at 50 something dollars, maybe $50. Got out at 63. Not a lot of shares. Again, just, you know, turn in a few quid. Luckily, I'm not a portfolio manager. I don't have the pressure of having to turn over, you know, millions of dollars for people. I should put a caveat. Well, there is a caveat. It's there, look, on the screen. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. I'm not giving financial advice. This is just for fun. Remember that, you crazy cats. Don't come at me. It's just for fun. Just see what happens. If you're new to the channel and you're not really sure what we're doing here, 3 things: trading, traveling and training. Trading, looking at charts, doing some chart analysis, trying to pick moments to get in and get out. Traveling, just bought a new VW Transporter 6.1, first new car I've ever owned in my life. Getting it converted to a camper, not a full conversion. Check out the video and you'll see what I'm getting done. That just got delivered yesterday, so I'm in the process of getting all the documentation together and going and collecting that. And training as well, so I do like cycling, I do a bit of running as well. Nothing serious, I'm in my mid-40s. You know, my chances of getting in even the school Olympics have gone. So, again, nothing professional here, just a guy living the best life, or trying to live his best life. Anyway, have some laughs along the way and don't take it too seriously. That's Clovis. Cooling down a bit now, look, on GME and AMC. But, you know, if it stays in that $7.50 range, I'm, you know, quite happy. I mean, we've spoke before. Generally what happens is it gets a little bit of a bump at the beginning, then it gets, you know, a little bit of a down, then it comes back up again, and then it generally trades sideways all day like that. But lately what it's started doing is it's started doing something different. So if we see yesterday, for example, this is yesterday, you can see it got its bump like it normally does. Got its bump, dip back down again, back up again, and then generally it's been going like that. But now what's happening is it's starting to trade like that. So there's starting to be a bit of consistent momentum. We like. Oh, go away. Go away, Mr. Line. So this is today's chart. That's yesterday's. So again, about 3% down, but we've only just begun. Famous song that, wasn't it? Who sung that? Was it the Carpenters? It's only just begun. I'm going to have to Google that. Let's have a look. It's only just begun. Carpenters, yeah, I was right. Look at that. We've only just begun. There you go. I know. I've got all. I'm full of useless information. If you want to know something useless, ask me. I've probably got it. I probably know it. Can't win them all, can you? It's hard enough being a model. How is it like that? It's hard enough being a model. Never mind a brainy model. I'm not a model. Far from a model. So there we go. First 25 minutes. GME doing well at about 3%. AMC not doing too bad, down 3.25%. BCRX up 1.5%, which is nice to see. CLVS up 2%. Needs to be up 200%, that dog. Let me tell you. American Airlines, that's dropped since I bought in. Amazing. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens throughout the day. There's time. There's time. Can we get on stock twits yet? Or is it still overloaded? Still overloaded, lot. Bit quiet this afternoon. 7:58. You see, we're moving. We're moving. 7:60. We're on the move. We're on the move. Can we sustain it? Can we sustain this and get back close to where we closed? Golden Cross. Golden Cross on the 1 minute. We'll take that. Oh, it's disappeared again because it's dropped. Look. We need to sustain it, look. We need to stay above there. Let's see. Let's put our line in and see if we can... Oh, Golden Cross is still there now, look. Let's see if we can hold that. Hold the line! Hold the line! God, if I had £1 for every time I've read that with this stock. Diamond hands. Hold the line. Hold the line. They get really excited about it. Fair enough, you got money invested, you want to be a bit excited. Here you see, we go. Here we go again. Here we go again. Hovering around there. If it stays around there, happy. It shows that momentum's back on our side. We're climbing, baby. We are climbing. Not seen this before. It's sustained as well. It's looking sustained. I say it's sustained. It's only 3 minutes. But, you know, before we weren't getting these bigger green candles. We were getting these little peanuts like this, and then it had red, and then a little green, and then bosh, red. And it's just not doing that anymore. Certainly not over the last few days. Look, we're nearly break even here. Less than 1% down on the close yesterday. 770 it closed out yesterday. So we're just about, you know, half an hour in, and we could be clawing back. What did we open at today? 722. You see, you're clawing back 50 cents. And then who knows? The sky's the limit. Well, it's not. It's the moon. If you listen to what they're saying, to the moon, baby, to the moon. So you know, who knows? Let's keep it going. 765, 767, 766. It's testing, isn't it? It's testing, trying there. Got that line there. Look. Let's stick it there. It's about there. So, old support, new resistance. Let's see if we punch through. Oof. We're trying. We are trying. We are trying. Say it, we're green. She's green, baby. She's green. That forum will be going mental. Watch this. Let's see if we can... Come on, stock twits. Don't let me down. Let's see if we can get on there. This is looking positive, mate. This is looking really good. $7.84 lot. We're up 1.8%. Keep that going. Keep that momentum going. Big green candles there. Golden cross is established. Let's see if they attack it now and see what happens. See if it gets bought up. Looks like it's getting bought up to me. Next step, 779, 780. It's getting bought up, look. It's just, I mean, look at this, look, nobody's selling. This, I think these are buys, these. And this is selling. Or the bid and the ask. Whoa. She's trying. She is trying. This is good, man. These reds, they're just getting eaten up. Let's see if we can sustain it for this minute. Bit of a drop there, look. But let's see what happens. Bit of a drop. That's a big red one there. But you know, they can't all be green. It's how quickly it gets bought up again. We want to see this pushing right back up again. But will it hold here now? Let's move that to where we were yesterday, and let's make yesterday's resistance today's support and see if it holds. Be interesting to see if it bounces off there. broke through. It might be a false break. Give it a bit of time. Let's see where it goes. You see, it finished right on the support there. That last minute it finished. Right on there. What did it close at? 773, right on where we've drawn that line, which is rough. Don't get me wrong, it's not exact. But that was yesterday's resistance in the close. We're looking to make that today's support, which would be nice if it can hold a little bit. Let's see. See how quickly these get snapped up, shall we? Green. We are green. BCRX, baby. Yeah, baby. 11:39. Look at that. There she goes. Oh, big buy there. Volume there. That's doing wonders for my portfolio, that. I should add to this, really. I should start DCAing on BCRX. Good company, making some interesting treatments by the look of it. Looks like they're developing something that might be able to treat Crohn's disease, and I've got a relative who's got Crohn's disease. So I'm going to keep an eye on it and see what happens. Again, with all these developing farmers,